We went swimming, and we went to the mall and ate. Okay, now we're gonna do this. I love doing this. Gabriel. No! Whoa! Gabriel, please don't go crazy.
Gabriel, relax.
Be careful. Aim and die.
You win. Good job, Gabriel. Nice.
It's helping me when I'm fighting my invisible friend. Yeah.
You don't have an invisible friend unless she or he is a friend from YouTube. Why?
Gabriel, why don't you show Marcy that frisbee thing? You look like frisbee.
It's your cousin. No.
I made.
That's him.
You lose some points. Oh yeah, but I don't play.
He only quits when I blast him.
Really good play.
That's the only time when he quits, is when I blast him.
Do you
One frisbee.
frisbee?
You want to frisbee with the dog?
No.
No.
But I
Do you wanna do regular bowling?
Bowling?
Do you want to do regular bowling?
Bowling is a little different this one.
That one's the same as regular Wii Sports. I should watch you do that. Okay, whatever.
You want to play?
Sure, I'll play bowling.
It's
Fire time. Okay. Here, yes. Did we say fire? Yes, we did. And guess what we're gonna do? We are going to fire. We're gonna fire some stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, delicious.
Yeah. I mean, unless you want them that burned.
Well, who even cares anyway? Anyways, we got some logs, tissues.
Alright. Marcy, watch the door in case the cat wants to get out.
Alright.
Yeah, make sure you close it. Oh, where's the cat?
One sec.
Go to the table.
Hi, Anakin.
Huh?
Hi, Anakin.
That's too small?
Can you say hi to everybody?
You don't have to make it.
Can you say hi? Say hi to everybody.
I'll hold the doors for you.
Say hi to everybody.
Hey, I don't have a bigger one. You just thought I was...
Oh my god, look at this. Say hi to everybody.
Give you this.
Hi. Okay, he said hi. You mean silver medal. Hey, Cass. Get back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well.
The cat is in there. Hi, cat.
Base bomb against.
Okay, anyways.
That looks great.
We're gonna go to this secret door. Secret place. Dinner. We're gonna eat dinner and we're gonna have a nice yumma feast. So this is
Commoner living in
Like
Britain near
sounding.
one of those training areas. I would be here for my life.
anyways, why did I throw that at the cat?
How did you do How is the structure?
Do you like playing that game?
We're in England. We're in goodbye.
Just
Where's the red baron? Green baron? What's the green baron supposed to do with anything?
well, how about you get the better guy who can launch 30 bombs at a time? Well, not.
30 pounds.
You can launch 30 bombs. 30, 10.
Oh boy, this is going to be a good flyer.
Yep. I hope. Anyways.
This guy. Yeah.
Okay, I was only thinking about the fire. We're still playing games, and it's really... we're still doing... Okay, this is Maryland Vlog, episode 4. A great
Told what I'm
feast.
flying on.
Well, actually, it's a great big feast. Whatsoever. We can just do something. I don't know what it is. Dad, whatever you do, do not get in the camera. Whatever. Anyways. Yoo-hoo. As you can see, my cousin is launching bombs into our houses and stuff. So let's see.